So today I decided to make low budget egusi. So I brought onion, tamarind pepper, then I added seasoning. This is not cube. I only had two, and I add salt. Then after that I covered to cook. Then I added my red oil. How can you cook soup without red oil? Then I added my plain pepper and crayfish. After that I added my fish. This is a Titus fish, that is mackerel fish. This is roasted mackerel. So I added that into my pot. Then I added the stock fish I have at home. I said, okay, this is a low budget and this soup is going to taste nice. So after that I mix and mix and mix. Then I added the egusi. This is the main part. I added the egusi into the soup, and then after that I mix it, turn it, make the food look delicious. Then I added my bitter leaf. This is a fresh bitter leaf. You can use dry bitter leaf if you have. Then after mix it, let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then after that, what else? Ooh, my soup is ready. As you can see, this soup tastes very delicious. If you've not made egusi soup before,